Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Chupro Kids TV. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Children, today we will learn to read the numbers from 50 to 100. So let's start. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. I hope children you like the video. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.